Sometimes you may have created your own AI chat on Instagram, but you might not be able to see the chat on your profile. If you want to add the chat to your profile, you can do that. In this video, we'll tell you how to do it. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, at the top, you can see the message button. Click on this button. When you click on it, you'll see a button like this. Click on that. When you do, you'll see AI chats. Click on AI chats. Once you click that, you'll reach AI Studio, and under your AIs, you can see every AI that you've created. From here, select the AI that you want to show on your profile. For example, I'm selecting this AI. After that, you'll see the settings option. Click on settings. When you click on it, you'll see the audience option. Click on audience. Then, you'll find show on my profile, which may sometimes be turned off. If it's turned off, just turn it on. After that, click on the done button. Once you click on it, you'll see the publish option. Click on publish. When you click on it, those settings will be saved. After that, if you go back to your profile, you'll see that AI chat. For example, I'm going to my profile. For that, click on the profile button, and here you can see that AI chat is added. So, this way, you can easily show the AI chat you created on Instagram in your profile. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.